Hi, I'm Laura. I'm a Utah Realtor. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you on a home tour of a home called Whispering Spring. It's constructed by Sunwood Homes, and it features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and about 4,500 square feet. I think you'll really enjoy this home. It is a modern style home and it's designed for comfort and efficiency. It has beautiful large windows. It has that indoor-outdoor living. I think you'll enjoy the appliances in the kitchen. It has a large island in there as well. Plenty of space for entertaining. And one of my favorite features is the master bathroom. It has this spa-like feel in there, beautiful scenery outside. And this home, I think you'll just enjoy this whole masterpiece. It is currently for sale. Go ahead and check out the description for additional information. And meanwhile, drop me a comment down below on what your favorite feature is. And I appreciate you supporting my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and all that other jazz so that I can continue to provide you these videos. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.